Hey, a little more flood coverage from Weston, West Virginia. I'm outside the Quality Inn where we're staying. We'll give you a shot of this here. All right. This is a creek, a drainage ditch right next to the hotel. Well, let's take a look and see here. You see how kind of muddy this grass look? You see the mud under this cover here, and there's debris right here. Well, that creek, I don't want to get too close here because I won't be able to get my ass back up. See the creek down there? And if you look at the tree line and you look at a lot of the bushes, like I'm looking at a tree right in front of me here, there is mud on leaves on that tree. In fact, there's mud on leaves of a bunch of trees here and bushes and whatnot. I mean, there's debris right here. So how much water was that to come out that creek? I mean, that got to be, I'm guesstimating here, 35-foot drop, 40-foot drop. So that's a lot. Anyway, I'm looking down at the ground right where I'm standing here, and the grass is muddy. Although it's dried mud, but God, this had to suck. This had to suck. Across the highway there's a Walmart. We were told that wasn't going to be back open for about 6 months. So take that for whatever it's worth. I'm just going to take a little step over here and see what to be seen here. If you look on the parking lot here, that brown look, that's not asphalt. That's mud from the flood, also known as flood mud. Anyway, I digress. Let's take a look at this cover on this, whatever this is here. But you can actually see the water line right here. This is the water line right here. So that's how high that creek down there come up here. Floods are no joke, people. All right. We'll see what else we come across a little later on.
This is crazy, dude. I'm really on the wrong side of the street.
Yeah, it does. Buddy of mine had one. Well, actually, his dad had one. But I drove it. And mud, mud, and mud. And more mud. Oh, dude, I got all-wheel drive, brother. Don't worry about that. It's closed. They're using this as a staging